but it's pouring. So we took them off, and we're wearing our rain ponchos instead. So, all of us. Rain ponchos. Oh man. We're hoping we have the bus to ourselves. We're hoping we have the park halfway to ourselves. Awesome. It'll be great.
Since the dawn of recorded history, we've been inventing the future one step at a time. So let's travel back in time and then begin teaching an ancient new subject called mathematics. And with math comes mechanical technology and the birth of the highest tech life in the universe. And travel regularly. Books make it easier to invent the future in every field. And the result...
We are stuck on Spaceship Earth. This happens a lot. It's okay. They're probably loading somebody. But we got stuck in between scenes.
Our time travels have been momentarily delayed. Please remain seated. Your time machine vehicle will begin moving again at any moment. Please remain seated. We'll resume our journey shortly. Thank you.
Everyone's heard that.
Solar power from your home fueling station. You're so cute. You won't have to worry about your...
I like our spaceship.
Thanks to handy household robots. They can take you anywhere.
Ooh, we're backwards head.
Plan the trip with your virtual travel agent. Hotels. Check.
Yes.
Check. Guided tours. Check. Getting there is half the fun. So your family car will be equipped with virtual tools to teach you about the world outside your window.
That's cool. That would be really nice. We've never had this one. I've never seen that Emperor Wall one.
And safely to places you can't imagine visiting today. And the moment you arrive at your ultimate vacation destination,
Under the
dive
sea.
right in to the future.
They're getting clean for the first time. You're looking good.
Does that look good? That looks good. I'm sure they'll make you some.
It's delicious. Oh, he loved it. It's so good.
We like your food though. It's delicious.
Oh, good. They got Mickeys on them. I need to get some with chips on them.
You know you love Mickey. How could you not love Mickey? Chickens and everything. I still love you too.
Your food is delicious.
Stay dry, Mickey. Make sure Minnie has her umbrella.
Thank you. now.
Exactly. Are we outside? I think rain is great. It looks like Rover.
Of all the forces at work on the land, humans have had one of the most profound effects.
It's raining. It always rains on me when I'm in this part of the park. For some reason. Ooh, it just picked up. I feel bad for people with strollers and stuff who don't have a cover.
No, because it's soaking wet.
Yeah, I know.
And then their kids sit in it and they're soaking wet.
I would just buy a poncho for it. I would spend the money and buy a poncho for
Yeah.
the stroller.
Let's go explore the big blue world.
Mr. Ray, we can't explore without Nemo.
So much to discover.
I've never seen you before.
Oh, it's raining hard.
Oh man, they're going mind crazy. I literally look like a Star Wars member
You do.
in this red thing. With my hands tucked in, I don't have any arms.
You reminded me of an Unbreakable.
Yep.
Where's that red hoodie in the rain? That cape, rain cape thing, coat.
Dun, 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 dun. I really can't even see where I'm going, so.
I'm just hoping for the best.
If I end up in that.
Scientific, figment-free manner, the things we see with our eyes can control the eyes of the imagination. Let's begin by using the eye chart to test your vision. Now, all together, if you would please read line 3 and
With F-I-G-L-E-N-T, you can see things differently. Sure, you can see with your eyes, but imagine what you could see if you used your imagination. Follow the bouncing figment. One spark of light can light your fancy. Your mind sees more than what your eyes see. Your sense of sight can make your fancy fly. There's more to sight than meets the eye.
Alright, we've stopped on this, so it's real quiet.
So, as you can plainly see, imagination works the best when it's set free.
You said it, Doc. Imagination is a blast. Imagination. A dream can be a dream come true. With just that spark from me and you.
Right up the stars. Everything that's new. One little spark lights up all you did.
I also go in the festival center that's over there in the Odyssey. Hey, I really like the purple.
It looks really cool.
Gosh! That's my dream to get that picture.
I hope that. Oh my god. I don't know. It's either.
Now we got to our meal. Come on along, it's showtime.
I remember the first time I rode the Ellen ride, I was like,
So I just found this little path that we've never even noticed. That's what I love about Disney World. There's all this stuff. How many times we've been here, we've never noticed this. Look at that little bird. So Atlanta was like, can you walk down there? I was like, I'm gonna try.
sure.
Is it me?
Yes!
She said, look at this picture. I was teasing her. Wow.
You see what I'm saying?
Look at it. It is. It's so pretty, y'all. Look at this view. Wow. With the sun shining through. Are you kidding me? This is really pretty. I told Alana I saw Milan. She was like, no way. Wow. I've never seen her here. All right, guys. We just finished dinner at Nine Dragons. We love that place. It's so good. So now we are headed back to the hotel. Since the weather is cleared up and it's quite lovely, I think we might go to the pool. You all, look at this photo backdrop with the green, but these are real. These are real flowers. Look, the petals, some of the petals are coming off. How beautiful.
Turn up the fun.
Oh man, Alana really got a kick out of it. That is, I like that too.
I'll try.
Sparkle floor. Look at that. I know, every time we do it every time. And I'm okay with that. Really far away we can see the fireworks.